So we've all heard about sanctuary cities in the news, and you might be wondering what a sanctuary city is. Well, there's no really set definition of what a sanctuary city is, but really it's any city that refuses to cooperate with ICE. Remember that immigration is federal law. So cities and states, they don't enforce immigration laws. But some cities and some states agree to work really closely with immigration officials to help those immigration officials affect deportations and removals. Sanctuary cities are the opposite. So, for example, they may not notify ICE when there's a person in their jails that is removable, and they may not affect ICE holds in those jails and hold on to a person for 48 hours after the person was supposed to be released from criminal custody. They may not provide DMV database information to ICE so that ICE can't go out and find out a person's address and then go out to their address and take them into custody and remove them. So that's typically what a sanctuary city is. Now, the complete opposite of that is a 287G city. And so the 287G program is a program with ICE and local law enforcement where they work very, very closely together. And here in my home city of Jacksonville, we are a 287G city. And so there is a JSO employee in the jail that is trained by ICE. And when a non-citizen enters the jail, they'll go to an office, and then that JSO officer will determine whether to issue an ICE hold. So unfortunately, what happens in a lot of cases is even if somebody has a pending application with USCIS and they're applying for a green card, but they have no status at that point, so they're removable. If they're driving around without a license and they get pulled over by a police officer, that police officer is going to arrest that person for driving with no valid license. And then that 287G officer is going to put a hold on them, an ICE hold, and they're not going to be able to get out of jail. And then they're going to end up being placed in removal proceedings. So it's really, really important for you to know which type of city or community that you're living in. Is it a sanctuary city? Is it more of a 287G program city, or is it somewhere in between? Because the simple act of driving without a license could be enough to get you placed into removal proceedings, especially in a 287G city.